Maybe it's a monkey?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's Huckle's monkey.
Huckle's monkey. Are you stuck, buddy?
Mom wants to finish my show. My movie. My show, Mama.
Okay, just a minute. I want to see what Landon does. Stuck?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Am I going to help him?
Okay.
It's very stuck.
What are you going to do, Landon?
Pull and pull.
Pull and pull?
Mommy, are you going to help him?
Yeah. Landon, you want some help?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I'm coming.